In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew car registration online in New York for the year 2025. Let's dive into this straightforward process to ensure your vehicle is up to date and on the road legally. We'll go step by step so you can easily follow along. To begin, let's head over to the official New York State website dedicated to vehicle services. You can find this page by searching for Renew a Vehicle Registration Online New York. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent Renew button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to renewing your car registration from the comfort of your home. Next, you'll need to select the particular vehicle you're looking to renew registration for. This might be especially handy if you own multiple vehicles. After selecting your vehicle, click Continue to proceed to the identification phase of the renewal process. Now let's input some crucial information. You'll need to have your plate number handy, so ensure you've got that ready. Alongside that, enter your 3-digit registration class. This is usually found on your existing registration documents. Don't worry if you're unsure about this. It's typically listed clearly on your paperwork. After that, you'll be asked to enter either your last name or your business name, depending on what is applicable for your vehicle's registration. Then input your 5-digit zip code for further verification. Ensuring all these details are accurate will prevent any hiccups in the process. Before moving on, make sure you enter a valid email address. This is vital because the DMV will send you a confirmation of your registration renewal directly to your inbox. It's also an excellent way to keep a record of the transaction for any future reference. Once all your information is entered and checked, click Continue to follow the remaining instructions. These final steps will guide you through any additional requirements such as payment options. Keep in mind that having a credit or debit card ready will speed up the payment process. That's it. You have successfully renewed your car registration online. Keep an eye on your email for the confirmation, and remember to save or print a copy of that email for your records. It's always handy to have a digital or physical proof of your transaction readily available, and there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to renew your car registration online in New York for 2025. It's a simple yet efficient way to ensure your vehicle remains legally registered, saving you a trip to the DMV. Thanks for watching, and be sure you're ready for the road ahead.